Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. What is your favorite season?
Summer is unquestionably my favorite season because I enjoy the long days, warm weather, and abundance of outdoor activities. I also enjoy going to the beach and relaxing in the sun and waves. Summer is also a popular time for family vacations and get-togethers.
Question number 2. Can you describe the seasons in your country?
We have 4 distinct seasons in my country. The days become warmer in the spring and the flowers begin to bloom. Summer days are hot and sunny, with thunderstorms on occasion. The leaves turn beautiful shades of red, orange, and yellow in the fall, and the days become cooler. The days are cold in the winter, and there is often snow and ice.
Question number 3. Do you do different things in different seasons?
Yes, I do different things depending on the season. In the spring, I enjoy going on hikes to enjoy the fresh air and blooming nature. I like going to the beach, swimming, and doing outdoor activities with my friends during the summer. In the fall, I enjoy going apple picking and taking scenic drives to see the leaves change. In the winter, I like to go skiing and snowshoeing and spend cozy nights in front of the fire.
Question number 4. What is the least favorite season in your country?
Winter is probably my least favorite season in my country. The weather is cold, dark, and frequently snowy, making outdoor activities difficult. People can become sluggish and unmotivated as a result of the cold weather.
Question number 5. What do people in your country like to do in different seasons?
People in my country like to go for walks and hikes in the spring, start their gardens, and enjoy the warmer weather. In the summer, people enjoy going to the beach, grilling with friends, and taking advantage of the warm weather. People enjoy going apple picking and taking scenic drives in the fall to enjoy the changing of the leaves. People enjoy skiing, snowshoeing, and cozy nights by the fire in the winter.
Question number 6. How do the clothes people wear in your country change with the seasons?
People's clothing in my country changes with the seasons. People wear lighter clothing in the spring, such as t-shirts and shorts. Summer attire includes tank tops, shorts, and sandals. People dress warmly in the fall, wearing sweaters, jackets, and boots. To keep warm in the winter, people wear thicker coats, scarves, and hats.
Question number 7. Is tourism popular in a particular season in your country?
Yes, tourism is very popular in my country during the summer. Summer is when people go on vacation and explore the country. Tourists visit our beaches, mountains, and cities from all over the world. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.